Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Juan Lombana and I'm a full-time realtor, but I'm also the founder of the Agent Wealth Farm here with eXp Realty. Now, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 3 things that new realtors should know, but maybe they don't. All right, now I've been a realtor since 2016. So like I said, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 3 things that I wish I knew when I was starting my career in real estate. Now, before we get started with the video, make sure that you click the subscribe button, make sure that you hit the bell because I'm putting brand new content every single week that's going to help you grow your real estate business and dominate your local market. All right, let's get started with the video. Okay, the first thing that new realtors should know is that if you want to be successful in real estate, you should be treating your real estate career as a business and not like another job. Now, a lot of realtors used to do something else before they became realtors. They maybe worked at a construction company, they worked at an office, they were teachers. Again, realtors come from all over the place, and in most of those jobs, there's usually a very structured schedule. You have to start work at this time, you finish work at this time, you have lunch between this time and this time. And of course, as soon as they move into real estate, there is no schedule because of course you are your own boss. And most realtors, they're just lost. They don't know where to start, what to do. So the one thing that new realtors should know is that they have to come up with a very structured schedule, just like if you were working for somebody else, but of course applying that schedule to your business, okay? Now, another way to make sure that you are running your real estate career as a business is start to create systems that's going to make your life way easier, okay? So because you're just starting, this is the perfect time to start doing so. So this is how you do it. Every time that you do something, for example, every time that you answer your phone, every time that you call a client, every time that you post on social media, make sure that you write it down on a piece of paper or on your computer and make sure that you are writing the system or the procedures that you are taking to do those tasks. And of course, as you get better and better in your business, you can adjust those tasks, you can change them until you have a perfect system in which it's going to help you do those repetitive tasks. Now, the other thing why it's so important to have systems is that as soon as your business starts to grow, you're going to be hiring people. So instead of going through it and teaching them how to do everything from scratch, all you have to do is pass that system to them, which is already written, and you know that those new realtors that are working with you are going to follow the system, which means that you're going to be getting a predictable outcome. Now, the second thing new realtors should know is that the #1 skill that you need to grow your business is to learn how to bring leads and clients into your business without depending on a team, without depending on a brokerage, without depending on marketing companies. So during the first year of your career, I would probably be focusing on learning how to bring leads through Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, YouTube ads, and of course learn how to bring leads organically, either on social media or door knocking or cold calling. It doesn't really matter, but make sure that whatever you are using to bring those leads into your business, you are an expert so you don't have to depend on anybody else. Now, the third thing that new realtors should know when starting in their real estate career is that it's going to take time to succeed, okay? Everybody's talking about how they can make $1 million the first year, how they can sell 30 houses the first year, how they're going to be selling 5 houses a month starting out, and that's not true. Real estate is one of those businesses that takes time to become successful. So this is some of the stuff that I would have done if I was starting again in real estate. The first thing, I would have saved 6 months of living expenses before I got into the business. The reason is, just like I mentioned, it takes time to get some type of momentum, and of course I wish I had that money sitting in my bank account so I didn't have to stress so much about getting leads and clients as my career was starting. Now the second thing I would have changed, and of course that's why I'm telling you this, is just go all in. Go straight into a full-time agent instead of going into a part-time agent. When I first started, I became a part-time agent, and guess what? It took me a long time to become successful, so now I wish that I went straight in, all in, into a full-time agent, and I probably would have become successful way sooner. Now the last thing to make sure that time to succeed becomes shorter is make sure that you found a mentor that's going to help you reach your goal faster. So, in my opinion, if I was going to start over again, I would have gone a mentor right away, and I would have found somebody, a mentor that knew how to bring leads into the business, because I would have learned way quicker, and of course by doing that I would have grown my business way quicker of what I did. So there you have it, guys. Those were the 3 things that new realtors should know. The first one, make sure that you're treating your career as a business, not as a job. Second, make sure that you learn all the skills necessary to bring leads into your business, either paid or organically. And third, make sure that you find a mentor that's going to help you go through the process and help you get to your goals way quicker. Now, if you have any other thing that you wish you knew when you were starting your career, make sure that you comment below, let us know. And of course, for any of you guys that's looking to learn how to bring clients and leads into your business and dominate your local market by leveraging Facebook groups, there is going to be a link down below. Click on the link, book an appointment. We'll talk on the phone for 15, 20, 30 minutes, doesn't matter, and I can explain how Facebook groups will change your business. All right, so besides that, hopefully you got value out of this video, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye-bye.